Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, we're going to look at how to change the horizontal axis category labels in Excel charts. I'll show you 3 examples. Replacing existing labels with custom text. Using a separate column for your labels. Fixing a problem where numbers appear on the axis instead of your data labels. Example 1. Typing labels directly, let's say, I want my categories to read Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Click your chart. Go to the Chart Design tab on the ribbon, then click Select Data. Alternatively, you can right-click an empty space near the chart title and choose Select Data. Under Horizontal Category Axis Labels, click Edit. Delete what's currently there and type your new labels, separated by commas. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Click OK, then click OK again. Your chart now shows the updated labels. Example 2. Using a separate column for labels. You can also create a new column in your worksheet with the labels you want to display. Select the chart and go to Chart Design. Select Data. Edit under Horizontal Axis Labels. Instead of typing, select the range of cells in your sheet that contain the new labels. Click OK twice. Your chart now updates to show these labels. Example 3. Fixing numeric axis labels. Sometimes, even though your chart is based on your data, Excel shows numbers along the horizontal axis instead of your intended labels. This usually happens when your first column contains numeric values. To fix it, select the chart, go to Chart Design, select Data. If you see an extra series that shouldn't be there, select it and click Remove. Click Edit under Horizontal Axis Labels and select the correct range in your sheet, for example, your product IDs. Click OK. And now the chart shows the correct labels instead of numbers. And that's it. 3 ways to control your horizontal axis labels in Excel charts. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll see you in the next video.